Good morning, students. Welcome back to today class. In the last class we saw about types of soils. So first two type of soils we saw it, isn't it? So what are the soils we saw it in the last class? Is first one alluvial soil and the second one it's called black soils. So the alluvial soils we can cultivate. What are the plants we can cultivate using the alluvial soils? Can you say? Yes, we can cultivate rice, wheat, sugar, and sugar cane, maize and cotton and jute pulses, and tobacco and oil seeds. So these are the plants we can cultivate with the help of alluvial soil. Okay, so second one it's called black soils. So how it looks? So it looks black in color. So the black soils it's made from the lava. So where we can see the lava. So we can see the lava from volcanoes. So volcanoes அப்படின்னா வந்து எரிமலை அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So the black soils also looks in nature naturally black in color. And we can cultivate the sugar cane, cotton, wheat and millets. So these are the plants we can cultivate with the help of black soil. And what are the states we can find this black soil? Like the states of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat. So these are the states we can see this black soil. Okay, I hope you all learned these two topics. And today class we are going to see about red soil. So the red soil means so it looks red in color. So red soil is red in color. So what are the states we can see this red soil? So we can found the states of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Chandigarh, Odisha, Jharkhand. So these are the states we can found this. We can found this red soils. And what are the plants? So it is suitable for cultivating and grow crops. So what are the crops we can cultivate in the soils? For like cotton, wheat, rice, millets, and all the pulses are grown in this red soil. So all the pulses also we can grow in this red soil. Okay, so next one it's called laterite. Laterite, laterite soil. So it is found. So what is called laterite? For example, red soil means it looks red in color, and the black soil means it looks black in color. And what is called laterite soil? So laterite soil means we already know the minerals are present in the minerals are present in the soil, isn't it? So due to the heavy rains, so the minerals are washed away from the soil. So that the soil it's called laterite soil. So laterite soils are found in the parts of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Telangana, Odisha, Chandigarh, West Bengal, Assam and Meghalaya. So these are the states we can found this laterite soils. Okay, what is the use of this laterite soil? Because with the help of minerals only we can the soil is fertile, and the soil is with the minerals is present in the soil mean that soil is used for agriculture. That soil are also capable for producing crops. But in this laterite soil all the minerals are washed away from the soil. Okay, then what is the purpose? What is the use of this laterite soil? So this soil is generally infertile, but by adding manure, this soil is generally infertile, but adding some manure, so this soil also we can use to cultivate some plants. So what are the plants we can grow with the help of this laterite soil? For example, tea plant and coffee, rubber and coconut and coconut trees and fruits also we can grow with the help of this laterite soil. And the another purpose is this soil also used to making the bricks. So this is a picture of bricks. So what is the use of the bricks? So the bricks will help. The bricks are with the help of bricks we can construct our houses. So with the help of this bricks we can construct our houses. So the laterite soil also used to making this bricks. Okay, so dear students, so learn this two topic today. Thank you.